how to use impact.com easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video we're going to introduce you to impact.com, which is a performance marketing platform that facilitates partnerships between advertisers and publishers, enabling them to track and optimize their affiliate marketing efforts. It provides a user-friendly interface for managing campaigns, tracking conversions, and monitoring performance metrics. Impact.com helps businesses increase their reach, sales, and brand exposure by leveraging a network of affiliate partners. Its advanced tools and analytics streamline the affiliate marketing process, making it an essential resource for businesses looking to maximize their online marketing strategies. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So here we have this is the main page of our platform. We have the platform from here: partnership management, discover and recruit, contract and pay, and so on. Here we have the brands section: influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, mobile partnership, business development. And here we have the publishers overview: affiliates, influencers, and creators. If you want to partner with them, the insights, and here if you want to sign in or request a demo. So in this platform, we'll proceed in the affiliate marketing, and here we will decide across device whether we are across device tracking or a branded interface or a fraud protection or a comprehensive tracking, and then you will hit let's get started. But let's go with affiliates, and here you can partner with brands your audience will love. So here let's click find brand partners, and here it takes us to the sign up. So just sign up with your email or any one of these accounts. So I'm going to sign up and going back with you. Then you tell them about yourself. If you're an individual or a company, let's go with individual. Account display name. Let's give them this name, your country, your region, and you give them your mailing address, your city, your zip or your postcode, and your time zone, then your currency. After that you hit submit. So I'm going to fill this information, and I'm going back, and I'm getting back to complete the video with you guys. So after filling all the information, you hit get started. Verifying your email is important. So here we need to fill our tax information, whether you're registered for VAT in your country, for me it's Morocco, or you're registered for indirect tax in a different country or region, or you're not registered for indirect tax. You choose the option that fits you, and then you hit save. And here we go to fill out our marketplace profile. So here if you want to choose a logo for your profile, you choose file from here, and you give your brand or yourself or your company a description, then your content and interests, and your business model. Then you can give your personal information, gender, ethnicity, parental status, and so on, education, the shipping information or the shipping address, your additional information like links, if you want to add another links, contact, and your media kit or a PDF. Then if you want to pause profile, pausing prevents your profile from being shown to new brands. you are still visible to and can work with your existing brands. So if you want to pause your profile for a timestamp, you can just cross this one. So let's scroll down. Here you can verify your media properties, but we can't proceed to that until we fill this, until we save this one. So let's go to verifying our media properties. So we can't save it because we haven't filled this information. So here, as you can see, we have errors. The company logo is required. You can't proceed without it. And also you need to enter at least one content and interests tag. Also a description is required. Additional information also is required, and your street address, your city also, you need also to specify your state, and you need to specify a zip or a post code. So let's fill this information. Let's choose a file from our files, and I'm going to get back with you after choosing a file. So after uploading your logo, you give them a description about your brand, yourself, or your company. So I'm going to write a description and I'm going to get back with you. So you write your address line because it's important. And then your country. So let's look for our country. Here it is. Then our city, our postal code, and our delivery details, but it's not important. Additional information, please specify at least one additional link or disable the toggle. So let's disable this one. This is not important also. Then we hit save. So then we can verify our media properties. We can verify our website from here, or media, or anything you put in there. If you want to verify using your email address, or if you want to verify by pasting code on your website, or if you want to verify by editing content on your website, you can verify it the way you want. So let's leave it at there. I just want to give you an idea about the platform. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.